Bards of passion and of mirth, ye have left your souls on earth. Have ye souls in heaven too, double lived in regions new? Dear friends, bards of passion, poets of passion, passion means serious thoughts, and of mirth, mirth, humorous thoughts, poets of serious thoughts and humorous thoughts, ye have left your souls on earth. They have left themselves in the form of their poems on earth. Have ye souls in heaven too? They are existing as souls in heaven because they have died now. Double lived in regions new? Are they living as double personality? One in the form of souls and the other in the form of poems. Yes, dear friends. Today I will talk to you about double personality and the concept of corporation soul. Corporation soul is an office which has an existence independent of the existence of human beings. For example, President of India is a corporation soul. If I am President of India, I exercise rights and duties of President. But if I vacate the office of President or if I die, the office of President will still continue to have its separate existence because law has recognized the office of President as a separate legal entity capable of exercising certain rights and duties. Its rights and duties are independent of my rights and duties. I have my own rights and duties because I am a person, I have been recognized by law, but the office of president is a separate person. Law has recognized it as a separate personality and has given it certain rights and duties which are separate from my rights and duties. So, till the time I hold the office of president, I exercise rights and duties of president. Soon as I leave the office, such rights and duties still continue with the office of the president because the office is a separate legal personality. Dear friends, the idols whom we worship, like Hanuman Lala, Ram Lala, they are kept in the temple. The temple also has some property, some rights and duties because the pujaris, the mahants, exercise certain rights and duties on behalf of Hanuman Lala and Ram Lala. These idols are recognized by law as a separate legal entity. So, even if mahants and pujaris do not exist anymore, and if the temple is vacated, there is no one to take care of it. Still, Ram Lala and Hanuman Lala are separate legal entities. They will continue to exist independent of the existence of pujaris and mahants and will continue to have certain rights and duties independent of rights and duties of human persons. So, thank you, friends. If my performance appeals to you, do help me evolve, and I would like to stay connected to you all. Thank you, friends.